Welcome to the EdbMails G Suite to Office 365 migration, a step-by-step guide. Are you planning to migrate from G Suite to Office 365? Make your transition smooth and secure with EdbMails. EdbMails lets you migrate emails, calendars, contacts, and tasks directly to Office 365 with zero data loss and complete folder hierarchy preservation. With features like automatic mailbox mapping, incremental migration to avoid duplicates, and advanced filtering, you stay in full control of the process. It uses OAuth 2.0 modern authentication for secure connectivity. Administrators can log in using both G Suite Global Admin and Office 365 Global Admin accounts to migrate all users' mailboxes, without requiring individual user email addresses and password. Whether it's a small migration or a bulk transfer, EdbMails ensures a smooth, disruption-free transition. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of migrating G Suite to Office 365 using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select G Suite Migration. Select G Suite to Office 365 Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Enter the admin email address, then click the Browse button. Select the JSON file you downloaded from the Google Cloud Console. Click Login to continue.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source G Suite server. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required migration options. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions.
Select the required option to load the mailboxes.
Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For hassle-free G Suite to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.